sa Misamis Oriental, known as Lambangus Festival, the only one, Balingasag, my home. In my free time, I'm enjoying tinkering with things, especially in my laptop, cleaning, and watching movies on Netflix. And also, I love spending time with my dogs, with Mama Kai and her puppy Panda. And also, I love shopping. Why I am in this group? Kasi nga, bukod sa magkagrupo na kami dati sa mini capstone, but magkakilala na kami since first year pa. Kasi nga, classmate ko sila noon hanggang nakapunta sa ibang section, pero nagkagrupo ulit. So, napag-desisyonan namin na yung grupo namin sa mini capstone is yun na yung final namin sa capstone. At, syempre, na-feel ko na kaya namin itong 5, tsaka na-feel ko din na dito ako belong, and nagkakaunawaan naman kahit pa paano. So, I hope na kaya namin itong 5, kaya go lang. What do I expect in the subject? Nasa isip ko yung subject na to. Siyempre, mahirap yun. And, kasi nga mahirap, kailangan yung application of knowledge, yung skills, yung dating tutunan, i-apply mo, and sana ma-expand yung learnings natin. Kasi bawat araw is marami tayong tutunan, and continue learning lang po. And I hope na itong subject na to is makakatulong din para maging successful kami in the future. So,
Hi, I'm Magda Rose Abello and I'm 22 years old. I live in Magtibugang, Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon. For my hobbies, I love eating and bonding with my friends, and I also love playing volleyball. I choose to be in this group because of a strong communication and shared understanding and support among the members. From this subject, I expect to gain valuable knowledge and strengthen my teamwork skills.
Hello, I'm Saidal Mayaliban and I'm 21 years old. In my free time, I enjoy bonding with my friends and watching videos on TikTok. And sometimes I sing and dance. I choose this group to learn and grow, sharing ideas, and reach our goal together. In this subject, I expect to learn new information and useful skills. The goal is to understand the main ideas so I can use them in the future.
Hi, good day. I am Gio Regia, 21 years old. Currently, I am working at Pitsake Taguluan as a part-time service crew. And my hobbies are playing bass guitar, trail running, and marathon. I see this group as a very competitive and very friendly.
What do you expect from this subject?
I expect this subject as a crucial. That's all, thank you.
Hi, my name is Junibert Saul, 20 years old, and I live in municipality of Balingasag.
When it comes to my hobbies, I'm really into video editing using CapCut. I'm a CapCut template creator where I design and share templates that other users can easily apply to their own videos. I also do freelance video editing, and I rely mostly on internet-based job. Through this, I've learned how to work with different styles, meet deadlines, and communicate with clients online. Editing has become more than a hobby for me. It's something I genuinely enjoy and continuously improve. Aside from editing, I also enjoy dancing. Dancing helps me release stress, stay active, and express myself in different ways from video editing. Why am I in this group? I am in this group because I believe that a capstone project requires strong cooperation and commitment. I want to be part of a team that works responsibly, supports one another, and stay focused on achieving our shared goal. From this subject, I expect to gain deeper experience in handling a complete capstone project from planning to final presentation. I also hope to strengthen my discipline, teamwork, and problem-solving skill through this process.